702, contact departure today.
Departure United 702. Departure United 702 is with you, passing 1,300. We took a bird strike on departure.
United 702, Boston departure, roger, radar contact, you need any assistance?
We're going to need to come back in.
United 702, roger. United 702, climb maintain 4,000, turn right heading 020.
Right turn 020, 4,000, United 702.
And United 702, turn right heading 090.
090, United 702.
United 702, are you declaring an emergency for the bird strike?
Stand by.
Departure United 1504, 1200 up to 5,000 on the Highland 7.
Gary Team 38, expect 32.
I will do expect 32, Gary Team 38.
Afternoon departure United 1504, 2400 up to 5,000 on the Highland 7.
United 1504, about departure radar contact, maintain 6,000.
I maintain 6,000, United 1504.
United 702, contact approach 126.5.
26.5, United 702.
Gary Team 30, climb maintain 5,000, turn right heading 260.
Climb maintain 5,000, right 260, carry Team 38. Approach United 702 is with you, 4,000, heading 090.
United 702, lost approach, turn 10 degrees right, set to maintain 3,000. Will you be an overweight landing?
Alright, right turn to 100, descend to 3,000, and yes, we will likely be overweight.
United 702, roger, and do you need to go right back in right now?
Negative, extended vectors works.
United 702, roger, expect that.
Say again for United 702.
United 702, you can expect that.
Roger.
Tower 45.
425, Boston Tower.
Sorry, tried to get out of your hair. Can you restore 15 right to second runway for reported bird strike?
Thank you. 425, proceed on runway 15 right and hold short of runway 27.
Okay, I'll be on
Oh, okay, understood. 425, proceed on runway 15 right, and just let me know if you want to go down the runway.
Will do, thank you. I'll be out here for a minute or so.
Okay, sounds good.
United 702, 33 left is available as well if you'd like that.
Roger. Yeah, 33 left will work.
United 702, roger, turn right, heading 150, vector I left, runway 33 left approach, maintain 3,000.
Right turn 150, United 702.
Lufthansa 5 Alpha Foxtrot Heavy, descend to maintain 3,000. 5 Alpha Foxtrot, descend to maintain 3,000. United 702, would you like to be an emergency?
Yeah, you can go ahead and declare us the emergency, United 702.
United 702, roger, say souls on board, fuel remaining a minute.
186 souls on board. We've got and nature of the emergency was a bird strike left wing.
United 702, roger. Lufthansa 5 Alpha Foxtrot Heavy, set to maintain 2,000. I'll slow you here in a little bit. I just need to get in ahead of this emergency. Yeah, roger. Lufthansa 5 Alpha Foxtrot, set to maintain 2,000. United 702, speed your discretion.
Roger, we're going to hold about 220 if that works for you.
It does. Lufthansa 5 Alpha Foxtrot Heavy, reduce speed to 190 to set to maintain 2,000. Yeah, reducing 190 to set to maintain 2,000, Lufthansa 5 Alpha Foxtrot.
Wait for 33 left. It's just going to be a minute. They're inspecting for a bird strike.
United 702, turn right, heading 170, Coxswain, service on a heavy Boeing 747.
Right turn to 170, United 702.
Golf
428, Boston.
Lima short 15 right, just proceed on with the 15 right.
428, proceed on runway 15 right.
15 right.
4 Boston Tower, proceed on runway 15 right.
Right.
1813, you weren't on my frequency earlier. It's just with the line at the end, we had a bird strike. We have an emergency coming back, so it's just going to be a minute before I can start departing again.
Okay, roger. Thanks for the heads up, 1813.
Yeah, no problem. 1016 Boston Tower. I can't depart you off 33 left, but if you can do it, wind 2707, you want to go 27 at Charlie?
I can do 27 at Charlie.
Here, 1016, 27 at Charlie, line up away.
On the way, 27 Charlie, 1016.
United 702, turn right heading 220, and can you say again fuel, please?
Tower 425.
425 Boston Tower.
The three of us are going to clear the runway here. Looks like most of the contact is right at Lima.
425, roger.
Hello, Lufthansa 5 Alpha Foxtrot Heavy, established ILS 33 left.
Lufthansa 5 Alpha Foxtrot Heavy, Boston Tower. Continue FOD removal in progress on the runway. Expect the landing clearance maybe about a 2-mile final if I'm able to give you one.
Roger, 5 Alpha Foxtrot.
United 702, 3 miles from Cohas, turn right heading 300, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 33 left approach, maintain 170 knots until Nimoy.
Alright, 300, clear the ILS 33 and maintain 170, you said, until Nimoy?
United 702, actually speed your discretion.
Discretion, United 702.
What's late off the runway?
Port 3, thank you. Lufthansa 5 Alpha Foxtrot Heavy, wind 2707 on my 33 left, clear to land.
Lufthansa 5 Alpha Foxtrot, 33 left, clear to land.
United 702, speed your discretion, contact Boston Tower 134.05.
134.05 for Boston Tower, United 702.
Blue 72 miles from Clayton, turn left heading 300, maintain 4000 until established on localizer, cleared ILS runway 27 approach, maintain 170 knots till Ripon.
Alright, 300 to establish here for the 4,000 to establish here for the LS 27, 170 into plane, loaner, JetBlue 270.
JetBlue 70, it's Rip it. 170 to Rip it.
170 to Rip it.
United 702 Boston Tower, caution wave turbulence heavy, Boeing 747 arrive. Runway 33 left, clear to land, wind 2907.
Clear to land, United 702.
United 702, Logan Emergency Services will also be on the street.
United 702, thank you.